stable conditions where it can stay in the longer term. So this is called acid-free tissue. And basically it's just nice archive stable stuff with no. So if you just get a piece of white paper for printing from the shop, it'll be acidic, and it'll also break down in a kind of uneven way.
Yeah.
Whereas this stuff is it lasts a bit better, and also it doesn't have any acid content. So it's not necessarily that it's super duper fancy. It's just that someone has tested it and made sure that it is acid free.
You have to keep your fingers off it then, and the important bits and things.
So we'll check that. So I've just put a layer of bubble wrap in the bottom, and I'll put this in, and then we'll fold it over once it goes in. So this has come out the ground with a bit of leather. It was identified as. So you just have to be gentle, try and support it. It needs to come out the bag. You just put gently in there. There's a little bag with hobnails in it as well. That can just go on top, above the acid free, but in the same tub. And then we'll label up the tub. So yeah, just hang on.
Is there any particular fashion on putting it in?
Just put it in how, and try and lay it out if you think you can, in a way. Yes. So just put it down like that for now. Just see how it comes. Yeah, so you can see this is the edge of the shoe. That's probably the heel there, I think. And then that, I think, is from that end. Let me turn it around.
Like this?
Maybe flipped over, I don't know. Yeah, there we go. So just put it down so it's sort of supported in there. That's nice. And there may be a few bits of earth that have fallen off, but just, yeah. So that's probably the toe end. So yeah, just put it down so it fits, basically. Lovely. We should have got a slightly bigger tub. So this will be the.
Do you want those there or not?
Bridge of the.
No.
Yeah, put them in just gently into the bottom. Lovely. So this will just keep it kind of stable.
I think there's little bits.
Yeah, so you'll just have to do your best, flip the bag over or whatever. Just get the last little bits, just tuck them in.